Beans are almost done, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some bread. I have this dough I made up last night. Take and wrap this bit of cheese, a little bit of bread dough with that Gouda inside. I think I'm gonna indulge a little bit. I have myself a cherry fry pie. Oh, these are good. This smells so good. We're gonna try some spicy honey barbecue sauce too. Oh, that is a good potato. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, that gravy is just tangy and good. Whew, I like this spicy honey barbecue sauce. Oh, slow roasted chicken over a fire is hard to beat.